Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken lollipop kababs. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 kilogram of fresh chicken drumettes. You'll also need ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and a selection of aromatic spices. Preparing your workspace and having everything ready at room temperature will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This initial step is crucial for building the foundational flavors of your kababs. Next, it's time for the marination, which is key to infusing deep flavor into your chicken. In a large bowl, combine the chicken drumettes with creamy yogurt, vibrant red chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric. Don't forget a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It adds a lovely tang and helps tenderize the meat. Let this marinate for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. Now, let's get ready to cook these beauties. Carefully thread the marinated chicken drumettes onto your skewers, ensuring there's a small gap between each piece for even cooking. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, or if you prefer, prepare your outdoor grill. Cook the kababs for about 20 to 25 minutes, turning them halfway through to achieve that perfect golden brown crust and juicy interior. Keep an eye on them. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Once cooked to perfection, garnish your hot chicken lollipops with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a final squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Serve them immediately with a cooling mint chutney or a crisp side salad. These homemade, flavorful chicken lollipop kababs are perfect for any gathering or a special meal. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.